I picked up this set of 4 folding wall hooks, and they're such a simple but stylish upgrade for organizing any space. Each hook is made from heavy duty zinc alloy, so they feel solid and durable, not flimsy like some wall hooks. I really like the gold finish. It adds a touch of modern elegance while still being practical. What makes theirs stand out is that they fold flat when not in use, which keeps walls looking neat and uncluttered. Then, when you need them, they open easily to hold coats, hats, bags, scarves, or even bathrobes. Installation is quick, and once they're mounted, they feel sturdy enough to handle heavier items. Whether you're setting them up in an entryway, bedroom, or bathroom, they blend seamlessly with any decor while keeping things organized. If you're looking for hooks that combine functionality with a bit of style, these folding gold wall hooks are a great choice.